Today I'm playing Snoring Elephant for one of my friends. For one of my friends' wisdom. So he'll probably be watching this, so shout out to you guys. Shout out to you, wisdom. See, I've already done a lot of levels, so we're gonna do level 10 now. So let's try our best. So I don't really know what I'm doing right now. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so annoying. And then just, there we go. That should, wait. We need to go faster. Like, let's reset. Let's reset. We're gonna start from level 1.
Oh my god, she's the monster.
Right. This one's so easy.
Oh my god. You're so
Move, you little piggy. There we go.
How am I dummy?
Level 2.
Mommy shark, daddy shark, and baby shark into the jungle.
Shake away!
Move, you cow. My cousin and my brother is playing a game and they're being really annoying, so if you hear them in the background, just... Yeah.
Guys, I'm making a video.
Let's find Mommy Shark first.
So, yeah. Listen, it's just Shane, my cousin Lila. Callie! What are you eating? Is that yours? Okay. Yours. So there we go.
You son of a...
Yeah, there we go. That was easy.
Shut up!
Okay, let's try this now.
Shut up.
Yay! We have to wake up the elephant. It's got Snoring Pirates, but my friend Wisdom calls it Snoring Elephant. So that's going to be what we just call it. We just call it Snoring Elephant. Because like the elephant like snores up. Yeah? Alright guys, we're back. So I just had to pause the video, but we're good. Oh my god, how did I do this again? So anyway, so if I fail this one, yeah, I'm going to fail. I'm a failure, let's reset. I forgot. Oh, there we go. No. There we go. Easy. Right. So first you have to let this cow go down. Oops. Let's reset.
I'm again. I'm at again. She's the monster. What are you? She.
And then put this guy down. Dang it. Let's reset. So this part's kind of hard. My opinion.
Bitches. I'm rushing because I'm pushing them.
No, the piggy won't make it. My god, this is so hard. I hate this. The pig, no. Oh, please, start it, go. No.
Get back here.
Wisdom. Shout out to Wisdom.
Where'd she go?
Alright, go piggy. Yes, no! I went the wrong way. Reset.
I can't get
Let's see if the pig can go first.
Milo, are you still playing? Milo, are
Dang
you
it.
still playing?
Reset.
Wait, why won't she die? She's not dying.
Immediately to the pig throw. Oh my god, it's not going to the right place. This is so hard.
I don't want to end the minute. Shut your yeah, Milo, do you want to know what we're saying?
Mila, your mum said just go off the phone and get ready right now. Well, that's what your mum said, so if you want to be cheeky with me, I will tell your mum.
Milo, where are you?
So,
Milo.
let's check the pig first.
At the Blues House?
What?
I got 100. Your mum come and take it off.
Milo, go to the farm.
Oh my god. So annoying. Listen, I'm gonna try another level, right? Gonna try level 9. I swear if that's the level I was just on another one. Right, this one looks easy. I guess, I think. But I don't really know how to do it, so we're just gonna jump this zebra's way and then, oh yeah, it's easy. That's easy for level 9. Alright, let's level again. Yes?
Come on, Ken.
Okay, just a
I'm going
second.
to pick up the flying sauce and that from a Shay. You're going to go.
Alright, let's get this started. Okay. Ow, 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 How do you move? How do you start? How do you start? Oh, that was easy. It was good. The bump, the giraffe, he'll give you a tip over, like bowling pins. Oh, okay. No, Peggy! Reset. I don't think the Peggy's at the right bit. No! I have to wait till he's like there. Oh my god, this is impossible. My god, this is impossible! I'm just waiting until he's at the tip of the top of the tree. There. Oh my god, you know, he's at the tip of the top of the tree. Oh my god, it takes so long for it to fall down. Oh god. Guys, subscribe for part 2, right? Wisdom will make a Death Rose part 2. So, subscribe to me, Wisdom, and I'll make a part 2. Alright? Tell me if you subscribed to school. Okay, Wisdom? You tell me if you subscribed to school. Goodbye.